Armour Battles Mission 1. Turn 3. Command dice are rolled at the start of each turn. The US rolled 3 command dice. The Germans also rolled 3 command dice. The US rolled a 1, but they also rolled a 6, so a command failure is avoided and the 1 is discarded. The player with the highest command dice gets the first command pulse. The US have the highest command dice, so they go first. First US command pulse. The US have 2 command dice and no staff orders. The US use their wild dice and command dice for a double move order. The units move at half speed through the woods. The Panther uses opportunity fire at short range. It fires at the closest M4. The M475 is dispersed. The US lose 1 morale. The other M4s now fire. It's an effective range shot into the flank of the Panther. One dice is deducted for the M4's double move. The M476 gets 2 disruptions on the Panther. The M475 also loses a dice because of its double move. The damaged Panther takes another 3 disruption points and is dispersed. The Germans lose 2 morale. First German command pulse. The Germans have 3 command dice and 1 staff order. The Germans use command dice to activate their Panzer IVs. The Panzer IVs fire at the M4s. The M4s use opportunity fire. Their fire occurs at the same time as the Panzer IVs. For simplicity, the Panzer IVs fire first, but the results are not applied until all units have fired. Both sides are in effective range. The M475 is suppressed and has its reaction number increased to 5+. The M475 takes 3 disruptions and is dispersed. The US lose 3 morale. The M475 is suppressed. The third shot targets the M476. The M476 takes 3 disruptions and is dispersed. The US lose 1 morale. As the fire is simultaneous, the dispersed and suppressed M4s now get to fire. The M475 and 76 both fire to no effect. The M476 on the hill fight at effective range. Panzer IV takes a disruption. Hoping to knock out the Panzer IV, the M475 fires at long range. Panzer IV takes 3 more disruptions and is dispersed. Germans lose 2 morale. As the loss of 2 morale would reduce the Germans to -1 morale, the Germans are instead reduced to 0 morale and the US gain 1 morale point. The US are out of command dice, so the Germans have the next command pulse. The Germans have 2 command dice and 1 staff order. The end of the game in sight, the Panthers aggressively attack. The Germans will lose if they don't reduce the US to 0 morale. Panthers fire at short range. The M475 cannot fire as it is suppressed. The Germans use their staff order to add 1 anti-tank dice to the fire of the first Panther. The M475 is suppressed and has its reaction target number increased to 5+. It takes 4 disruptions and is dispersed. The US lose 1 morale. It's crunch time as the second Panther fires. It needs to disperse the M4 and hope that the US lose 3 morale. The Panther fires to no effect, and all hopes of a German victory are lost. End of turn 3. The US have 3 morale and the Germans have none. For a tense battle, the US defeats the Germans. End of game. Subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to keep up to date with Armour battles and Combat HQ. See you in the next one.